I'll start recording. So this is Discord. Discord is just like your normal, what's it called? This normal, if we check it very well, we will see like it's just like our normal um Slack. So if I want to edit my profile here, this is where I will go. Can we see? This is display name. So this is pronounced. This is the name they will be saying. Can you see that now? So they say profile widget, customize your full profile by adding widget to your board. Anything I want to do, example, but do you understand now? So it's just like you, but it is very, 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 very rare to see um what's it called? To see company using these ones. It is very rare to see company using it, so it's not common. So yeah, we write about me. Name template. Do you understand now? If I want to add to my status, change banner. This is primary. If I want to change banner, all these things were just like you customize your profile. You see that? Huh? So my account, save changes. So my account, content and social. You understand? Connected games. All these things are what you guys can just try to go through. Though I've not been active on Discord. I just have this account. Do you understand now? It's not something but you're just giving that Slack vibe. Can you see what he's giving? Create my own what? Create my own for a club community for me and my friends. So can you see announcement? Just like giving us what is it called? This Slack vibe. Are we getting it? But if you can operate Slack, you can actually operate Discord. This is Discord. Can you see DSICOR? If you can work on Slack, you can work on Discord. There's nothing you cannot do on Discord. Find your community on Discord. Can you see it now? So you can create community. Is it gaming? Is it music? Is it entertainment? Is it science and tech, education, anything you have? But this one is just for a course I did somewhere. A community I belong somewhere. Can we see that? So they added me to it, but I've not been that working on that for long. So let's go back to where we are coming from. So now we are on Apollo. Apollo is a lead generation tool, like people used to call it, but Apollo now is more than a lead generation tool. There are a lot of things that you can also do in Apollo these days. Do we understand now? If you guys are not talking, I'm not hearing anybody's voice. Let me just join with my phones. I don't know if you are not here again. Are you guys here?
Yes, ma.
Do we have any question pertaining to what I just showed you? Do we have any question pertaining to it? Oh yeah, talk.
No, we'll go and
Based on
explore it
based on
ourselves.
So it's not
based on that.
Apollo
Can you hear me?
stuff. Yeah, I'm here.
Based on that, what's it called? That means of communication. So,
It's just like
this thing is
Slack,
just what's that his name?
Discord.
Yeah, Discord. Eh, do we still need to update our profiles in Discord because it's like it's an international communication, but
Yeah, no, if you have to do that though. If you maybe you're working with a company and they are not using Slack, they are not using Team. What they
okay.
are using is Discord. You just enter and do what and
Sorry, they are not using Slack. They are not using what?
Microsoft Team.
Okay.
They can use Discord. Those are the three things one I know. We might have more than that, but if we can't navigate through Slack very well, the way we did Slack, we did everything about Slack. You just use the knowledge of that one. Just be Microsoft team. There's nothing you cannot do on those things that you would now come here that will not be able to do. Do you get me now?
Okay, ma.
So it's not something that much. If you want to explore it, you can download it, the Discord, and invite yourselves and do it. Do you understand? But in that one I'm in, I cannot invite people because it's owned by one Unibo community I was before. I do internship with them. Do you get it now? So let's start. This is Slack. So now this is Apollo. And Apollo is a lead generation tool. Like people used to call it lead generation tool. But there are a lot of things that you can do more than what's it called? There are a lot of things you can do inside Apollo. Do you get it now? One of my posts yesterday, somebody told me that you use Apollo for marketing, and that's that about that. So we have home. So in this your home, it is where every workspace set up. This is where your workspace will be set up. You will see everything like this. Your everything you are doing inside your Apollo, you will see it now. Can you see now? So no data found, no this blah 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 blah. Because I've not done much about it. So if I did much, you will see everything here. Can you see? Do you understand what I'm saying? Do we understand that? So we
Yes,
know
ma.
our normal home now. When we go to any software, the normal home where it will be showing us setup of our this thing, what we have been doing here. Do you understand now? So this is the home. So the next one we have is search, and we call that search prospects and enrichment. Enriched prospects are what? Prospects are leads. Do you understand now? Prospects are leads that we are prospecting to become a customer, or we are prospecting to convert to a deal. So when we convert them to a deal, we will have maybe they will have to patronize us. And one thing I still want you to understand that because you convert a contact to a deal does not mean make them your customer yet. Because at the end of everything that maybe you converted them to a deal and you are having you at the end of everything they did not patronize you. You don't understand, they have not become your customer. Do we understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma.
Yeah,
Yes, ma'am.
you converted them to deal, and at the end of everything, it was a deal lost. If a deal lost, does that person becomes your customer? Or at some initial stage, or do you understand pipeline stage, they now said they were disqualified. They did not have interest again. Do you understand now? A lot of this, I don't know how to put it. A lot of reasons why they can say they are not partner. You might see another company that is selling that thing far better than your own, or their own product is far better than your own, and they now decided maybe your company came to them, the other company also came to them, and you guys show them your product, and at the end of everything they discovered that the second company product is far better than your own company, and your own company, what do I want to say, your own company, what's it called, product is lesser, or do you understand? They might choose to go with those first one, and at the initial stage you have prepared a deal. Do we get that now? So so that's that. I just want you to understand that because somebody you convert somebody to a deal does not make them your customer. They are just deal until when that deal is won. That's when they become customer. Do you get it? I'm coming. This thing is shaking. I'm trying to put on my ring light. So now we have prospects and enrich. What do we have? We have people, we have company, we have list, and we have data enrichment. What we have under people is like contact. In some software or some tools, you see them as contact, but here in Apollo, they are called people. And we have company. Company Company like organization, we all know what company is. So we have list. List is also known as segment or grouped. Data enriched is used So maybe let's say someone, we have contacts, we generated some leads, or we have imported some of our leads here, and one of those leads, we are nurturing them on our Apollo, and we just discover that maybe one of them changes his or her company. You can come here to if their contacts are right in our database in Apollo. Do you understand now? You can easily detect if that person changes his or her company. Maybe Susan was working with IBSH before, and the last time you spoke with Susan, I was still working with IBSH, but now I'm no more working with IBSH. And you go to our company, they now told us that Susan is no more working in IBSH. So she has left some months ago. You have my data list, my data in your Apollo too. You can come there to check. If I've initially changed my job, it will tell you. It will tell you the company I am now. Do we get that?
Yes, ma.
So Apollo,
How will you know? How will you know?
we will do it now. We will do it. You will see it now. But they will not allow us to use that of job because what's it called? Because it is not a paid version, but I will show you guys. So the first one we have people.
Excuse
Let's
me.
click on people.
Excuse me.
I'm here. I can hear you.
We are into Apollo.
Yes, I'm here.
Now, sorry to ask, what is Apollo and what is it used for?
You were not here when I started. What were you thinking when I was talking? I said it's a lead generation tool. We use it to
Okay.
generate leads. And
Okay.
right inside this list, we can nurture those leads as well. Do you understand
Okay,
now?
ma.
So we
Yes.
can use it to generate a lead and also nurture the leads right inside this tool.
Okay.
All this lead generation that we said, go and generate leads about so. Do you understand now? So that's what we
Okay.
use Apollo for. So now,
Okay.
the first thing we have is people. I've clicked on people. See now, total 236.1 million is the total contacts they have here. That they are Apollo contacts. Do you understand now? All these contacts are Apollo contacts. And can you see this one? This is their net new 280. Do you understand now? So this saved
This
one.
call will end in the next
Wait,
15
ma, you
minutes
say it
now.
will end in 15 minutes. So,
The problem was like I went to go and enter with this what's it called? I came in that time. I went out again. Somebody should check link in the group and bring another one for us. So let's continue. Bring another one before the 15 minutes. Drop it in the income message for us. Let's join through that. So let's continue. So now, this saved one are the contacts I imported or had. If you want to see your own contact, this is where you will see it. Can you see this saved? But these ones are the contacts that Apollo had. These are the people that are registered under Apollo. Those people, these contacts, if you want to find people, these are the contacts you will find inside this. So now let's go before that. So now this is where you can import or add your contacts. Single contacts you want to add manually. CSV, that means you want to go and import a contact from somewhere. Do you understand now? Okay, thank you for that. So, can you see now? So this CSV, the way we did in HubSpot, that you import your contact, the same thing. There's nothing too big about that. So now, can you see single contact? If you click on single contact, I want to put in a contact. I said Ajoke Williams, and you have to be careful when you are putting email here. You must put a correct email. Let me just use Wumi email. You must put a correct email because if there is not correct email, you have issues. So now what is our job title? Let's say she's a manager. Manager. Are we getting it? So now
Yes,
choose the
ma'am.
company. She's working with IBSH. If she's not working with IBSH, I will have to do what? Create a company. So now select stage. So what stage is she? Is he cold? Is he approaching? Is he reply? Is he interested? Not interested? Can you see all these stages? So she's just a cold lead. A cold lead. We know cold lead. Like, do you understand? Cold. Something
No,
that
ma. What is the code lead, ma?
cold lead is like somebody that you have not had any interactions with. You've not discussed anything with them. They were just coming in. Do you understand now?
Oh, okay,
And
ma. Thank you.
they were it's called when we call somebody a cold lead. It's somebody that you don't know. It's not, do you understand now? Somebody that has nothing to do with your business before, your company before, they are just coming in and we are bringing them in. So now we said the phone number, we can put the company phone number, we can put our phone number here. If you want to put our company, we put our phone number. Let's continue. Let me just scroll down and see. So now we can put Wumi LinkedIn URL here. So if you put Wumi LinkedIn URL, if you want to send Wumi any message on LinkedIn, from here we can send our message. We can send our e-message. We can contact her. We can check. Do you understand now? So many things. All right. So when we put it here, let me just do it right. Let me put Wumi name here. Let me just put Wumi. I'm just praying that your name is not here before. Wumi Kino. Kino. I don't know. I shall have put Wumi Kino she's there. Am I correct? Can Wumi
Yes,
send?
ma.
Can you give me your LinkedIn URL? Can you send it inside the income message? Let me just put it there. Just be fast about that so that we can do it. And have you dropped it? Have you dropped it?
Continue, ma. I'm looking. I'm bringing it out. It's slow.
Sorry. Oh. So you have dropped it. Has she dropped it? Hello? So you guys
She
cannot
said
hear me.
she's the network is slow.
Okay, let's continue. Let's leave it like that. Let's just go so that it won't take our time. Oh my goodness.
Ma, she has dropped it, so you can pick it. She dropped it now.
We should just be careful before this meeting goes away.
I've
Wunmi,
dropped it.
it's LinkedIn that you just write. Did you hyperlink it? Ne?
Yes, ma. I linked it.
Why will you hyperlink when you are sending here? It will not. You just send the link straight. There's no need of you hyperlinking. Just send it straight. Can you see that? Can you see what I did here? Can you guys see?
Yes, ma'am.
So if the company is existing before, you will use this one, you search it from here. But this one is not existing. I just want to create a company. Do you understand now?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
don't let me put wrong company for you. Let me add you to IBSH. So IBSH, we said the color this thing is code. I'm still waiting for your LinkedIn stuff. So we want to add our phone number. Add our phone number. What's your phone number? What's your phone number?
I've dropped
33
everything.
05
6525.
6525. Okay. The engine URL. Let me just go and copy it. You should be watching this thing. Oh. Copy link. Where's the LinkedIn URL? Where are we supposed to post it? Paste it. Control V. So I think we are good. I think this is what I want. Location. Nigeria. She's in Nigeria. Time zone. Why is it not giving me vibe today? Let me say Lagos, Nigeria. Lagos / Nigeria. Nigeria. So let us go and save it. Can you see now? We have saved this. And this is Wumi here. You can see like, can you see that it's giving us that Oxford vibe? We can log a call. We can send a message. We can create a task. We can create a note. We can add that to a list. We can add that to a sequence. Check layout. Do you understand now? We can contact overview, current viewing, layout. Do you understand? Just the company that she is. Do you understand now? This is just a layout about the artist. So this is Wumi here. Do we understand this, or Abi? We understand all these things. Do we?
Me, I did not.
Yes,
Too.
ma'am.
Can we
Why
go to the
why will you
next
tell me you
meeting?
didn't
Can we go to
understand
the
how
next
to log
meeting? We
call?
have 4 minutes to get out of here. 4 minutes to get out of here.
Oh yeah, let's go to the next meeting. Just click that link and go there. It will take you to the next one. Are we all here?
Yes,
Winnie is
ma.
let me call her.
Obi, I don't think Obi is there yet. Though.
Winnie is
Obi
not
is
here.
here.
Obi is
It's
here.
only Winnie.
Let me call Winnie.
Winnie is still that in that old one. No. She's still there. Maybe she's not even in class.
I'm calling her.
Okay,
She's here. She's
She
here.
has left already. So
She's here now.
All right, let me just continue. So now, what is it that you say you don't understand here? Eh, Auntie Wumi? Hello,
Just sign
From
off
where you
call and
started
see.
adding the information.
where I add contacts, why I create
Yes,
contacts?
ma.
You don't know
Yes,
how
ma.
to create contact. Why will you tell me that? To
Create
create a
contact.
contact, to add it, you just create a contact normally that you had people's name. Maybe the
I know
information
this
is
one. So when here.
this place. Are you talking about
Okay,
here?
okay, ma. Yes, yes, just check.
You don't know when they ask you first name, last name,
And
primary.
it's okay, ma. Now I understand. Don't worry. I
There's
understand. I
nothing
know how
big
to do
about that. Let me just okay, Wumi, let me just open this so that I can explain. So this one too now, I said we can remember HubSpot vibe. When we make a call, you log the call. Can you see it now? Do you get, can you see that? No answer, left voice note, busy. Get, if you want to log a call, that means that when you put a call through to someone and your discussion about that person is what you want to put down, write down. That's what log a call means. Do you understand now?
Yes,
Eh?
ma. Yes, ma.
So that's what you're doing there. And this one, if you want to send email to me, this is how to send email to me. I want to send mail to me. Let me just use a template. We have a template here. Let me just choose this one. This is the template. If I don't want to use a template, I will just come and be crafting. Everybody should know how to craft a mail now, to draft your mail. Do you understand me now? Are you guys here?
Yes, ma. We
Yes, ma.
understand you.
All right. So let me send this to Umi. Let's see if she will receive it. And everything that I'm doing with Umi, I'll be seeing them here. So all the activities, can you see now? Upcoming, no activity found. Can you see mail? Send her email. Do you understand now? So when you click on activities, that's where you will find everything you and Wumi have been doing. Now, there is this automation I did that when we had a contact, if you send them message, can you see now? You to Wumi, see the email I sent to Wumi now. So if Wumi open it now, they will show me that she has opened it. They will show me if you are opening. You open it and reply me. If she reply to, I will see that she has replied to me. Do you get it now? So this is where we make email. I want to start a conversation with Wumi. I can start here. Do you understand how my conversation with Wumi Jare? They will see it here. Everything that me and Wumi have been saying, we will see it here. So I want to book a meeting for Wumi. Can you see now? All the any meeting I book for Wumi, I will see here. Note, any notes I put down, I will see it here. Any task I created, I will see here. Activity log, any activity logs that whatever me and Wumi have been doing, we will see here. The stage for Wumi was updated to approaching from trigger. You understand now? So now Wumi is created with the following information name. Do you understand now? Account for Wumi was sent to IBSH, everything that me and Wumi have been saying. So now, yeah, if I've sent her mail, I wanted to create a tax for her. So what was the name of what Wumi Akonochi? Can you see associated with? This is the person I'm created. What type tax do I want to create? Is it manual email? Is it action? Is it LinkedIn send connect request? Let me say I want to send an LinkedIn connect request. I think we are connected. Let me see anything. Let me send that LinkedIn message. Can you see now? So now this is the type 2 of what I want to. Do you understand now? LinkedIn, let me say LinkedIn message. I want to send Wumi LinkedIn message. That's the tags I want. So the message. Can you see this dynamic variable? So this is where we'll be saying contact first name. Can you see that? So I can say hello, hello. So now I'll come and put my dynamic variable. I want our first name. So when Wumi receive this message, it will mention hello Wumi. Do you get that? If I want to see add our last name, I will put our last name. You say hello Wumi Kono Sochi. Do we understand? So now I will put the body of my letter. Anything I want to send to me. Do you understand now? I will just type everything here. So let's just scroll down and see. Can you see the descriptions of what I want? You know, everybody know what snippet is, Abby. Do we know snippet?
Yes, ma'am.
We know is that we call it short messages or macro. So this is what we call snippet. So now you can add your snippets. When was the due date for this tax I'm creating for myself? 11:02 to 20. This time, let's say 10:20. Let me choose time. You can choose your time here. Let's say I want it 11 a.m. I want it done today. Abby, this is time. Yes. Let's just go and see. So the message you want to send, the description of this, you understand it. Can you see if you want to add snippet, you want to add a meeting, you want to create a meeting with Coach Susan. These are the meetings that we have created here. So if I want to add Wumi to any meeting, let me just say I want to add that to this one. Can you see now? So I will add that to this. Let me copy the link. Can you see the link now? So Wumi can book appointment. Everything you want to do with Wumi here. You create a tax, then I create my tax. I believe you should understand this. By now, you should understand it. So this is create a note. What we use note? Who can tell me what we use notes for? What do we use note for? What do we use note for?
Like a reminder.
Like you just write to note down your activities with Wumi. What you have been doing. The first thing is that I sent her the welcome message. The next thing is that I messaged her on LinkedIn. Do you understand now? The next thing I did was that I put a call through to her. Blah 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 like that. That's what we mean. You note it. So select account. Which account is that? Is IBSH country? Do you understand now? The company select conversation. We've not had any conversation. Adding be we've had one. We will have it here. Select deals. If you have not created any deal for Wumi, we will see. If I have created deal, I will select it and everything will be right in here. Do you understand now? I will title the my notes. Maybe let's say let me call it my activities with Wumi. Can you see it now? Let me say this is what I want to name it. My activities with Wumi. I've not created any deal for Wumi before. After I've created one, I will select the deal. So now let me save it. Let me just save this note. So now under notes, now when we go under activities, we will see it that. Can you see when we come under notes now, you will see the notes. Can you see? Can we see that? When we come under tax, you will see the tax I created. Can you see the tax I created?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's that. If I want to add Wumi to list, can you see now? I want to add Wumi to list. I've created some leads before. Can you see it? So if I want to add that to a lead, I can add that to a lead. So if I want to, this is my own list. This list I created. So if it is list my team's created, I can add that to list that my team's created. But this is my own list. So if I want to add lead Wumi to any lead, I can add that to phone dealer. Do you understand? I add that to list. So when I go under my list now, Wumi will be under phone dealers, which we are still going to do. Do we understand this now? You understand everything that has to do with this?
Yes, ma'am.
Do we have any question before I leave there? Do we have any question? So let's go back. Let's go back to people and let's go and I will show you. I'm not going to import. Just going to show you how to do that because you know how to import. So when you click on your this, you want to import from your system. So when you click on CXV, if it is contact you want to import, can you see select CSV file? If it is account, which is company, you will come here. You will get this too.
Yes, ma'am.
So if it is contact like individual, if it is company like business, a company you want to invite, you just click here. You click on company and you will import company. Do you understand? But you cannot. You know how we were under contact. That's why we can. If you go under business now, we will do that. So when you do that, you select CSV file. Which file do I want to import? Then I will bring in it and make sure that you map them very well. Do we understand that we should do it?
Let's do it, ma'am.
Okay. So I've clicked on my CSV. Let me just check my downloads. I'm just praying I have a correct lead here. I'm just praying I have one. Laptop dealer. Let me just bring these laptop dealers. If I have, let them. I pray they are correct. Error. Please select in CSV. They are not in CSV. I've brought in the phone dealers, laptop dealers. Let me check this inside this list. I don't know if this one was the one. Let me just take this one. So can you see it now? I'm not going to import it, Can you see it? Can you see that first name is mapped, last name is mapped, phone number is mapped? Can you see email is mapped, location is mapped, email address? This one is not mapped because I don't want it. This confirmation too, I don't want it mapped. Do you understand? I don't want it mapped. I can take it off. And let me just delete it. Can you see now? So this email address, I don't want them. Or let me see the one I can pick. I have two email addresses. Temstad, phone number, email address, contact email. Okay, contact new address. So I can pick two email address. Can you see it? Can we see it? You guys are not talking. No? You make this thing boring to me. Are you guys not
We're
in the
here.
class?
We're here because we muted. That's why we're here. We're with you.
Let me try to come in with my phone because I just have to be seeing if you are actually following. All right. Can you see it now? So it must be well mapped. Can you see that I said 3 needs mapping? I don't need it. I don't want it. Do you understand? I love this. We have 8 column detected, 5 recognized, 3. So this 5 that is recognized is what I need. So when I click on it, can you see now? Can you see if it is not well mapped, you come and check for it and mapped it correctly. So when you still go down, you check. Can you see now? So now use stages from CSV, use stage for CSV. So let me call them stages. Which stage? Is it a stage to set stage to code? When I'm bringing them in, are they code calling? Do you understand now? So when they come now, when I import all these lists now, their stages will be code. I just bring them in. So now auto assign account. If I want them to assign them to any account, do you understand now? I can do not assign. Do you understand now? If they okay. Assign and create account based on websites. No. So if you want to auto assign them to an account, you will do that. Maybe you have an account, your website, email, domain in this CSV that you want to assign them to. You can do that for them. Do not assign any account to the imported contact. If you don't want to assign any account to them, then you know. But this is the best one you should use. So add them to list. You see now. If I want to add them to list, let's say I want to add them to this list. I have my leads here. I have 2 leads. Those of you that did go high level with us, you will understand when we are bringing us, what's it called? Our contact in, we do all these things. That we will assign user, we will do this before we even bring in that thing. So if I want to add them to any list here, I can add them to. Is this my list? This is my own list. Is it team leads? Any leads I want to add them to, I will do. But I'm sensing I've brought in this lead already inside this list. So I don't want to have a duplicate one. Can you see it now? Hello?
Yes, ma. Yes,
Uh-huh.
ma.
So Do we understand here now?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can do that after you have mapped your this thing correctly. Come down. If you have created your own list. I'm saying this now so that when you get in, your contact will not get missed and miss others. Do you get what I'm saying now? So the first thing you will do is that
Yes,
go and
ma'am.
create list. So before you import in your contact, create leads and add in your contacts. Do you get that?
Yes, ma'am.
So right while you are importing, add your contacts to your own leads. You can call them your own list. Everybody should take their leads. You might call it women list, or but just make it a very let the name be okay. Don't just put just name so that it will be real when you are taking your screenshot. Do we get that?
Please,
Yes,
do we
ma'am.
add that contact by into our list by automation or how? And if those things are not properly mapped, where do we click to map it?
If
I
they are
know
not
of
properly
that for
mapped,
that
if they are not
stuff.
properly mapped, can you see now? This is first name. Can you see now? Contact first name. Let me say it is not properly mapped. I will come here. Can you see now? Contact first name. So it has mapped green. If I want to map this now, I'll come here, but there's nothing that correlates with it. That's why it was not mapped. Do you get it now?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, that's how you go about that. Any other question before we leave this? Because I'm not going to import this thing. Oh. Do you understand me now? Because I think I've imported them. All these things you have to check them. So if contact already exists in Apollo, you understand? Update the existing record with information from CSV. So now, if this contact is already existing in Apollo, can you see this, please? So now, or skip it, do not update any record. So if you put skip, that means if these contacts are already inside this CSV, they will not be uploaded. They will not be added. So now, if it is updates and update the existing record with information from CSV. Let's say now I have Wumi. When I was bringing in this contact, Wumi is there. And Wumi change her email or phone number. What this contact, that's what this one will do is that it will help me to change Wumi, add the new email Wumi. It will still remain the Wumi's name, the normal name, but you will add Wumi, new phone number, and new email address. Change it from the one I have there before. Do you understand what this one does as well? All right. So so when you are done with all this, your settings, you go through all these things, you get what you want, then you come and import. Can you see import? You create import. But I don't want to do that. Let me cancel it. I don't want. So let's still go back. So I've talked about people.
Almost the same method with hotspot, but
Yes, the same thing. So if you want to import company, if you want to add company, you will come here and add it one by one. If you want to be adding it one by one. But maybe you have generated a list of a company that you want to add. You just click on CSV. The same procedure. Can we see the same thing is what you will do? Select, go and bring it from your computer, from your laptop and bring it in. Do we get that? So let's go to the next one. We have lists. So now this is how you create your leads. Can you see the one I created? Phone dealers, engineer in Lagos, real estate in Texas, construction company in Nigeria. You can create one based on your company. These ones I've not added anybody there because today I'm going to generate real estate in Texas. So I'll add it. In the night, I'll generate construction company in Nigeria. I'll add it so that in the night we'll both do this one again for others that are not here. So now, if you want to create your list, can you see list? You just create list. So what do you want to create? Is it people or company? So if the list I want to create, if it has to do with company, I will create company. If it has to do with people, I will create people. Do you understand now? So what is the name of my list? Let me say I want to artisans. Let me just say artisans. Artisans in Lagos. Shay, is this my artisans correct? Can you see it now? I will create. I've created that list again. So now, if I want to, if I've created now, this is the artisans I created. So I want to find people. I want to find people that are doing this. If I click on it, it will search for me. Can you see now? Can you see it is searching? So now when I click on here, it will help me to search. Let me say artisan. I suppose not to come here now. Artisans. Artisans. Let me just, is it correct? It will help me correct. Artisans. So let me search now. Let me just see artisans. See the artisans that he brought out for me. Can you see all the artisans that we have? Eh? But we will still come here to do that. So now if I want to narrow down my search that, okay, the ones I'm looking for, I'll come back to location. Can you see now? I will now say let location. I can say Nigeria. Nigeria. Can you see Nigeria now? So when I pick Nigeria, it will help me to check out. Can you see the artisans I have in Nigeria? Can you see Oluwadamilare, Olamide, Saheed, Azeez, Sadiq? Do you understand now? So if I still want to narrow down my search, I can still narrow down. If I want to exclude location, I can say, do you understand? Do you get it now? I want to say, let's say it, Lagos, Lagos State, Lagos State, Nigeria. Can you see it now? Can you see the ones he brought out for me? All these artisans are in Lagos, Nigeria. So if I want to pick them, can you see now? Pick. Can you see now? So maximum people per company is 1. Select this page 5. Select all 5. Do you understand now? So the maximum I can select is 25. I can't select more than 25. So when I click on select now, 25, company. Okay, let me just see why it's doing that. Apply. So can you see that it has selected them for me? Can you see them? So now I will add them to the list. So now when we go to our artisan list now, we will see them there. Do you understand? Maybe you have them inside your this thing. While you created this list, you can import them. I can create workflow for them. You will get. So let's go to people again. What happened? Ah, Jesus, Apollo don't come again this month. Holy Spirit of God. Let us wait for you to roll. Let me pause. Why he's doing his drama? Because let me just do this. So what are we talking about? Let's do this. So these are they said schedule page title. So let me just say new project. I just want to new project. I just want to name it something now. Let me just say project. Page description. There's no need. I just say that person should mute, please. So now that person should mute. So now intake form, can you see it now? So when this person, when anybody fill this form, this is what happened. Now, step 2, add routing rules or action. Can you see now? Owner rules, booking meeting, if else, send to external URL. Can you see now? Booking meeting. So link to existing meeting type, create a new meeting type. So I want to link them to existing meeting type. So I will choose that. Ah, God. See this one that is rolling, and that's what made us pause the other time.
5 minutes to go.
All right, let's just switch. Let's just switch. You guys should go to the next one. Let's leave this one. All right. All right. Are we all here? Are
Yes,
we all
ma'am. I'm
here?
here. I'm here. I'm here.
So let me just continue. The thing just dey pain me sha with all these things. But you guys can catch up, Abby. Eh?
There's an Apollo video on our drive, right?
Yes, there's one.
Same thing there, right?
No, I did not go deeper as this one now. All these things are this one that I'm doing now is not there, but you guys can't. With the ones I've been explaining, you will get it. There's no problem. And this one thing I don't like about people, they will just be giving you stress. What does it take you to just feature out something that is? So let me increase it. Let's see. Can you see now? So now I said select intake form. I've created an intake form before, which is lead. So let me just nothing more. Let me just save it. I don't want.
Winnie is not here.
Okay. So the next step now, can you see next step now? The now said step 2, add routing rules or actions. So let's say big book meeting. We want to book meeting. If you did not have meeting you have created before, you create new meeting. But I want to choose from the one I have before. So can you see now? I said meeting with Coach Susan. Let's say this is what we want. Can we see it now? And I have set my availability before. You will see it in one of the videos we did last night. So I'll add to the routing. Can you see now? So which step do they have now? This is what they have. This is our distance. Do you get it? So if you want to create your own, you can check any one you want. If it's not booking that you want, you leave it. So now can you see single host, single host, single host? We have one single host, and anybody that book this meet, fill this intake form now. Eh? They will be appointed to this single host. So you publish it. Can you see published? So when you click on published, you have published it. So when I copy the link now, let me copy the link and give to you guys and see how the thing works. Mm, I hope you guys are getting it. I just want us to finish Apollo. Nothing much. We are still going to do in the night, but I want to have taken you so far in. So in the night, it will just be like you are refreshing. Eh? Do we get that?
Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
So it's just be like you guys are refreshing it. Because I'm going to finish Apollo tonight, Control V. So let's just click the link and see what it does.
I'm trying to open this first link of Apollo, but it's asking for the company website.
My dear brother, which of the link?
The first one he posted in the other
Leave
meeting
it,
link.
yo, leave it, because I don't know what that one is mean. What that one you are talking about, I don't know what he's doing. No. Eh? I don't know what that
Okay.
one you are talking about. Can you see now my phone number? I can put my phone number 073 16 13 35. I don't want to use this email. Okay, let me use it. Company. Baby, let me say Royal Spinal. That's the name of my company that was coming from. Can you see the form, that form? So what do I want them to do? I want commercial building. Can you see it now? This meeting has ended. Okay. I wonder. So Bina was still in that previous meeting. So now this is phone number optional. Phone number is not valid. You put +23. Eh? +234. So now I want to book a meeting with Susan Odumade. Can you see now? So let me just say I want to book what time? 10 a.m. tomorrow. Can you see it confirm? Can we see it? Can you guys see you?
Can we go back to 2 steps?
Two
Mawara was
step.
trying to confirm mine, say something failed.
Check again. I will try to do it. So I will try to copy the link and paste in another browser. Okay. Let me paste it here. So this is where I want to paste it again. You guys can check, can see what I'm doing now. Control V. Can you see it? Just click on it. So now my email, Susan Udumade, can you see now? My name, let's say Susan Ajumobi. Ajumobi. My phone number +234 70 67 032925. Company name, let me say IBSH as well. What do I want this time around? Can you see it now? Book a meeting with Susan, 11 a.m. Can you see? Confirm. So, what is the problem from your own end? What is it saying from your own end?
When I clicked on confirmed, it did another. It just said, uh, uh, failed to confirm email or something. Let me do it again.
Maybe your mail is not correct.
Okay, let me do it again.
So now, if I want to reschedule, can you see now? If I don't want to attend, if I think I want to reschedule, can you see? You just click on reschedule, which I don't have strength for. I'm not rescheduling. I believe you guys get it now. Eh? Can you see it now? Can you see when that person take that form? We link it to booking a meeting. I don't know if you guys get that. Should we continue? Should we continue? You guys are busy filling form. I don't know.
You are filling the form. Oh.
Leave form now. I'm beginning to believe.
Maybe fill form
Okay,
small
what
now.
now? I
Ah,
filled it.
Jesus Christ. Do we understand that this one now? Let's go back
Yes,
to.
we
So
do,
we've
we
talked
do.
about meeting. This is meeting. So now I've taught you about single host round robin. The one we do now is inbound router. So intake form. Can you see that intake form now? When you click on this intake form, you will create your own intake form. So you can use it for inbound router. Do you understand now? So let's still go.
Project type is what?
Anything. Maybe you see options there. Pick the one you want. So this one we have conversation. Can you see conversation? So this is where you have every of your conversation. Can you see meeting with Coach Susan, meeting with Coach Susan, meeting with Coach Susan, meeting with Coach Susan?
Phone number is not valid. What does it mean?
+234 should start it.
Okay.
So can you see it now? Can you guys see? So this is where you have every of your conversation, every conversation you're having. So let's go to deal. You understand deal, oh? Abi?
Yes, ma.
We understand how to create a deal. We can create a deal from here.
Yes, ma.
So what is the deal name? Let's say new project. New project. I'm just putting my
I
own.
want to
But
buy a I want to buy a duplex from
okay,
IBSC.
okay, new duplex. New duplex. Du- Duplex. Can you see it now? Company select. Which company are you coming? So can you see all these names I have? These are company, no. So if I don't have, can you see IBSC construction? Can you see BD construction? Can you see now? These are the company we have here. So let's
The
say the
company
company.
I'm coming from is Leon.
So you put your company here. I'm not putting any company. So now we select pipeline. We have sales pipeline. If you want to manage pipeline, you can click on pipeline. But this is, I think we are on sales. We can manage pipeline and create another pipeline. Can you see now? If you want to create pipeline, can you see create pipeline? Can we see it? All these ones
Can
are
we
here.
have a deal pipeline?
Yes, we can create a
Is
deal
anything
pipeline.
like that?
Yes, there is deal pipeline. You can create your deal pipeline. Just go to ChatGPT, you will see it. I think there was time I said something about that on LinkedIn. That I talked about different pipelines. So now I'm not creating any pipeline because I don't. You will see it one of the videos. I think the second one, you will see how we created that. So now let's say the deal name duplex new bought. Okay, duplex. Let me just put duplex. Duplex. Are you guys following? Are you enjoying the class? So
Yes.
it says, let's say sales qualified. Let's say meeting booked. Is it sales qualified? Is it meeting booked? Is it negotiation? Let's say we are on negotiation stage. Abi. So estimated close date. When do we want this? When are we close? That person should mute. That person that is eating. Estimated close date. Do you understand now? Who is the owner of this deal? I'm the owner. What is the deal cost? Let's say $5,000, $50,000. Can you see now? So we save it. Do I associate any name with that deal? I did not. Let me see on me. I ought to associate one name with it. Save. Can you see it now? So this is the deal we created. Let's just go and email. Let's say email. Email. No email found. Let's email here. I will now associate it with. So contact Umi to Umi be. Can you see now? So now this is Umi. Let me use template. I'm just using one template. So let me just to who is again from to Umi. Umi. Kono history. Can you see now? I just want to associate this deal now. Let's schedule to be sent. I don't want to send it now. In 30 days time. By that time, this thing will have expired. Can you see it now? So now I just want to check this. This is taking light again. Record. Let me see record. Sales pipeline. Last updated. I want to see contact though. See contact. So let us add contact to it. Who is the contact? Wumi. Can you see where we had contact? Wumi.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see where we had our contact now?
Yes,
Select the
ma'am.
deal role. Is he business owner? Is he buyer? Wumi is a buyer. Can you see it now? Go back, you. I don't know why you will just be jumping. I didn't ask you to set primary. He's a buyer. Can't find a contact in this Apollo database. Create a contact manually. Wumi is here. Can you see what this thing is bringing for me? Wumi, Wumi, Wumi. So can you see now? She's a buyer. I will save it. So now this deal carries Wumi name. Can we see it now? So if she belongs to any company, we will put our company here. Which company? We will select the company we have now. Can we see it now?
Alien.
I didn't create that. What do you call it? Let me see if we can create a company.
Alien.
We cannot we cannot create we
K-A-Y-E-L-Y-N.
cannot create one. Okay, let me just K. I've added you to
K-A-Y.
IBSN before. Let me just put one thing.
Eh,
So can you see it now? Can you see how you just have to be updating everything about me? If you want to got it, if you want to add a tax to this deal, you can add a tax to it. You want to add a new note, you can add a note to it. Can you see now? So this is the deal. We've created a deal, Abby. What else? This is create a note. I've talked about that. Let's go out. So we've talked about deal. The next one is workflow. Let me put workflow in the night. What is this? Inbound website visitor. If you want to find visitor that visit your website, you had website. But we don't have a published website, so you cannot take it. I think we tried it in the last video. So let's form. This is how to create form. Can you see form? When you click on form, can you see now? So if you want to create a form, everybody knows how to create a form now. So this is form name. You put your form name here. So if you want to put your domain name, you put your domain name. So let me say form name.
but we don't have domain name now.
We don't have. We will buy. Don't worry. When I want to teach Go High Level, I'm going to do it. New new
When are we starting go high level?
text.
Next week.
Next week, I'm thinking about next week, but I want to wait for Inkem because
What happened to her? She's not back.
she's not back. Oh. So I want to wait for her. So that can you see now? So next step will take us, what is it? At least add up to 5 domain name. I don't have now. I don't have domain name. I don't have domain name. No, I don't. It's supposed to. There was a place that it will ask me. I'll tell them I don't have a domain name. Let's go back. Let's go back and start. So create. I don't know why it's not. New intake, Abby.
Yes. Ma'am.
New.
And why is it showing under?
Don't know for a new
See, showing under.
new project. New project intake. Intake. So let's go. www.ibsh.com. Mhm. Oh yeah, let's go. It's not there again. Okay. Let me say ibsh.com. Okay. Invite URL
Must we put a
www.
domain name for it to
IB.
before you can
Can't you
create it
see
for?
now? He was saying we should do that. .com. .com. If it's
Because
not
I've
giving
seen
me,
you create a form without you putting this domain name.
Maybe it's not saying that. It's not taking me to the next step.
It's not taking her to the next step unless you put a domain name. Put
Hmm.
construction to IBHS.
Think it should. I don't know. I don't know. The other one. Maybe you've seen me where I was creating. I don't know why this one
I
is.
thought you created it. Was it
The
not
last
you?
one I created, he was saying I don't have domain, and I click I don't have domain. List the website domain where your form are hosted. Let me just go and bring one. This one. Let me just go and bring IPSH here. Mm, Let me just go and bring drive. Message. Let me see. It will not take. I think the last time too, it was not taking this Google site stuff. It was not taking it. Copy link. It was not taking it. Let's just see. Control V. Oh, you take this one. Oh. So next step. Should you guys have created email now? Eh?
Email
You
or
guys have
website.
created website, Jerry.
Yes, we have.
Okay, now when a visitor enter this email address on your website, can you see start? And have your CC form with do you understand now? So we will set our form here. Contact enrichment. I don't know. The wala is too much. I swear to God. So now
So
when
does that mean when
enabled,
we get to that point, we should go and copy our
yeah,
website?
go and give your website if it's not allowing you. So now
Now
this
read what
is
he wrote. He said then Apollo will automatically enrich and populate the below field. So the field for your form is
add
below.
this field from
So
your
that's what
yes, when they fill it in your website, you will come and update it inside this place now. Do you understand?
yes,
But
ma'am.
no, I don't understand.
What it means that if I bring out if I no now let me copy this form. and I went to go and embed it inside my website. When you guys fill the app form, it will come and update it here. It will bring all that these people details here. Do you get that? That's what it means. Eh? Do you get that?
Yes, ma.
All right. So now we have email, we have phone number. If you want to add field, let's say they don't put their first name. Do you understand now? I want first name. Let's say I want them to put their first name. I don't know. You understand now? So autofill form field, yes. So what do I want? It is a test. It's not a drop down. Is it mapped? Is it what? Mapped with first name. Can you see now? First name mapped with first name. Oh. So when I had this field now, anybody that feel that. So now tell us how you find this field of your site. We will use it to locate. Let me see now. Let me remove this one. First name, first name. Let me say first name. First name. I don't know. Can you see? Shall I put what they want me to put? Can you see it? So let's say this is, let me say location. Let me just put another one. Location. Or country. Let me put country. Country. So you will select here to see country. Can you see contact country? Look for country. Holy Spirit. Do we have country here? Let me search. Country. If you don't see country, we will see location. Location country. Can you see? So field type is a test. So can you see that? Let's add to field. Country. 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 Just add to field. Can you see it now? So let's say this is what I want. These are what I want to fill. I want these people to fill in that website. Can you see it now? And if contact is net new Apollo, save it to your Apollo database. Eh? So if they are new, if these contacts that are coming in now, they are new, Apollo will save them directly. But if they are existing one, it will just update them. Can you see what he's saying? Right? Do you understand now? So next installed. So this is the code I will copy now. Let me copy this code and go and embed inside that website. So when I embed it inside my website, let's just come here. Let me find somewhere to put it. I don't even know. I just embed Jaga inside this website. Sure, it's not you embed code though. It's not URL. Oh. You come and paste it here, Control V. Can you see save? So now I will insert it. Can you see it? So let me enlarge it. So we published it again. Anything you are adding, you have to publish. Is that taken? So
Yes, ma'am.
let me copy the link and go and take it to another field. Let's see what will happen. Let's see if we will see the form. I just put it here. Control V. If it doesn't come out, I will not stress myself. Beloved. Is that taken? I think I put it after this thing or before it.
Yes, you did.
Which one is this one? Which welcome to IBC? I think this is one is everything I just embed. The one is I think this one is Zo. Is it that Zo or what is it called? What's the name of this one? HubSpot. You can see this one. Well, this is disappointing. Sorry, something went on not according to plan. Please check back with the person
Ma,
who
what
sent
did
you
you
this.
embed that gave you high?
Eh?
Here, I have a question. What did you embed to get that high? I have a question.
To get what?
Go down.
This one.
Yes, this one.
I don't know. Maybe is it that from? Is it that is from? Let me check. Let me click on it. I will know where I get this from. This is from Go High Level. I think this is from Go High Level.
Oh, okay.
Is it Go High Level or Oxford, sha? I don't know. You know, I just dey embed everything. When I will still teach you how to do all these things. Give us a minute to assign the person to help you out. So they will not have because I'm not online. Do you understand? I think is it that Go High Level? Or I will still teach you
This is
guys,
a
but
chat bot, right?
yeah, it's a chatbot. So I will see to where this is disappointing. Sorry, I don't know. I think this is this file. Let me go and check where I embedded it first. I will see where it is. IBS it is afterwards. Where is it? Published. What's going on? Okay. This is it. Well, this is disappointing. Can you see it? I don't know why it's not embedded. I think that's Abby. That's the place I put it. Let's go back to our pool and see what the problem is. So now let's see. This is the code. This is the code. Or maybe we've not saved it. We've copied the code, Abby. Let's copy again. Let's now save. Maybe that's why we have that problem. So let's go back and embed. Do you get that? Let me delete this one. So let me embed again. Maybe that's why we are not. It's not giving us. Let's save. Insert. And if it's not working this time around, my dear brothers and sisters in the Lord, it's supposed to come up here. Published. Let me go back to this place. Let's refresh. Can you guys hear me? Hello?
Yes, we can now.
I don't know why it's not embedding. It's still saying the same thing. Can you see?
Is it the is it that is showing well? This is disappointing.
Mm-hmm. I don't know why it's disappointing there. It's generation now. No, this is it now. Let's just go back and see. This is let me see. I don't know. Form is we did not activate it. Let's go back and see if it is still working. Let me just see if it will work now. And if it's not working, we are leaving it. I'm not going to stress myself any longer. Embed next. Okay. Saved. Okay. Let's publish it again. Published. Copy the link. Copy. If it's not showing me, I'm going to leave it though. But you have seen how I did it. Because if you are using free thing, there's nothing they cannot take your eyes.
No, no, you get there.
You don't know how I got here. Maybe I copied the link. I copied the link I did. That link, that website link. This is how I got it. Let me drop the website. This one is from Sendex. Can you see it? This is how I got it. This is the website link. Where's you guys? This is how I got here. Click on the website link. So when you click, that's where you will see how I got there. So it's still rolling. Maybe network or stuff. Can you see? All right, let's just try to. I want to teach you how to create a lead, and we'll call it a day. So the next one we'll do it in 9. Can we see it now? So the next, what do we have here? I've talked about form. So workflow analytics, this is where we see your analytics of what you have been doing. Can you see it now? Sell smarter with try analytic now. It might say you should come and pay. Can you see it now? Let me just see. Confirm. The plan is not eligible for the trial. Can you see? So what we have been doing, we're supposed to be seeing them here. So what else do I want to teach you people? I want to generate leads. I want us to generate a lead. The list I had that time, what did I have in my list? Let me see the list. I want to generate something.
You had artisans in
We've
Lagos.
generated for
You want
artisans in Lagos.
in,
We have engineer in Lagos.
engineers
Let's say real estate in Texas. These are the list
And
I
then
want.
computer something something.
We want to generate the
And
real
phone dealer.
estates.
And then phone dealer, sorry.
No,
say,
these ones
say
Assistant.
real estate in Nigeria. Let's leave
real,
Texas people alone.
real, real estate, real estate, real estate. Let's just see if we can see real estate. Can you see the real estate we have now? Can you see the link? Can you see numbers of employee they have? Quality accounts. Can you see these ones are company? I'm generating lead based on company. Can you see industry, real estate? Can you see their keyword, property development, location where they are? Can you see how you can find them? But now I want to narrow down my search to real estate in Texas. Then I will come here. You look for location. If you have seen location, tell me. Company. If you click on company, you understand? It said is not of any domain exists. Company is known. Maybe the company that are known. When you click on it, can you see that this thing is changing? Eh?
Yes.
So it
Yes.
is. So now let's see that company look at account location. The location, let's say the location I'm looking for is Texas. Texas. Can you see now? Texas in USA. Can you see it?
Mm.
So it will still help me to filter them. Can you see now?
Texas State.
Uh-huh. So can you see that it
I'm
has
here in
filtered it out? I'm
Texas.
just teaching you guys. I will still do it in night, but I
But
just want to do it. So now let's say we want to the size of the company. What's this one? Delete. So we want to work on the state. We said Texas state. We want to work on their size. Let me just say this. Numbers of employee. Do you understand now? Let's say we want 50 to 100. So can we see now? All these ones, they are workers are not more than between 50, between 1 to 500. Let's say between this, you will see it's still narrow down. Let me just say this. I don't want this because I need startup companies. So let me remove this. Let me say this company that are between 11 to this. Can you see? Can you see now?
Yes.
Let me say between 1 and 10. Their staff is not between 1 and 10. I don't want 1 and 2. You can pick any of these ones. Can you see now? So this one, can you see the numbers of staffs they have? Can you see this one, the highest 10? 3, 1, 2, 4. Let's say 20 and you will see what I'm doing. I'm saying now. Let's put 20. You will see the ones. Can you see this one? 20, 20. If you put it 20, 25, it will still be showing people that has. It depends on what they ask you to go. You know when they can say go and generate a list of real estate or so anything in blah 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 blah. So their company size should be this size. So you will just have to click. So if they said their company size should be between 1 to 100, you will tick this, you tick this, you tick this, you tick this as well. Can you see? So
Yes,
can you
ma'am.
see? Can you see? That's how you go about that. Let me come out of that place. Um,
Do not pick the one you want.
I've
Ah,
not picked.
okay,
I'm
so
still
if the
filtering.
company size it says if you're asked to generate the company size of 100, you have to pick from 1 to 10,
Yeah,
11 to
now.
20, all of.
Yes, now. So we see company. Do you understand market segments? Do you understand? All filter buyer intent. Do you understand now? You choose what you want. Can you see buyer intent? Depends on what you want. Industry and keywords. So you search their industry and keyword. Is it constructions? Are they information and technology service? Are they real estate? Is real estate? Can you see now? It will still be helping us to filter down. Do we get it now?
Yes, ma.
That's how to. So website visitors, are they revenue? Are they funding job posting? Do you understand? All these ones are paid version. Yes, we will see them. If all these companies they post their job, if it is a Apollo paid version, we will see it. We can look for a job under that. So now the owner. So now select account owner. Is it anybody? Is this? Do you understand now? So if it is me, when I generate this lead, I will be the account owner. Do you get it now? So let's say owner. Mhm. So now you it will add it to the column. Can you see? So it will add it to the column of that me I generated that. So let's stages. All these things are they code. If you want this one we are doing, we just want to add them. Do you get it now? So
Mm-hmm.
you will just use this one to filter down what you're looking for. If you wanted to add them to a list, you check the list. Do you understand? What do we have? Real estate in Texas. Can we see it now? So when we want to add them to that, we will do that. They are not here. Yes, I've removed it. I put something that they were not. Let me just remove that owner. I've picked something that okay. It's not working here. Total. Mhm. Can you see now? So these are the ones I generated now. So if I now these are they said I will be able to select only 50 out of 25 out of them. So when I click on 25, select this. Let me just say select this. So I apply. See them. Let me just where is it? Where do I want to select? Let me just say so select company numbers. Let me say I want 25 to apply. So now they've selected the 25. So if I want to export, can you see export? Can we see export? Can we see export? So
Yes,
when
yes.
you select
Uh,
export to CSV, can you see now? Don't export direct. If you export direct, there are a lot of things that you will see that you will not like. Quality accounts. Can you see all these things? So what you will actually do is this: you come to edit export CSV so that it will be only just what you will need that you will collect from them. So when you click on export CSV, I'm taking your time. Can you see now? It's accounts that we import. Abi. We will now click edit. Can you see here?
that's
So
easy.
now, can you see now? This is company name. You will now choose what you want. Let me deselect everything. Can you deselect everything? So if you select everything, all these things that you will bring to your what's it called? Your Google Sheet. It will not look nice. Your leads will not look nice. So now when you deselect, what do you want? I want the company name. I want the account owner. I want the company email. Do you understand now? I want their website. I want their city. I want their company phone number. I want the company country. I want their street. All what you need is what you'll be picking. Eh?
Yes,
Do we
ma.
understand
The
me
number
now?
of the retail location.
You said
Number of retail location, that's where you have them.
number of what?
Retail location, where
Where
the
did
Retail
places where you
location,
can,
number of
where did
how
you
retail.
many
see that? I'm
places
not
you can
seeing
find
it.
it.
Okay,
Under
the
latest funding
middle,
amount. In
Elite,
the middle column.
Middle. Yes, the last one.
That's the number
number
of
Yes,
of
yes.
locations they
zero.
have.
It depends on what they ask you to go and generate. Though. You can't just be picking anything. Do you understand now? Anybody that gave you to go and generate a lead, it will tell you what they want. Now go and generate a lead of real estate in Texas. Want their name, their phone number, their website, their email address, their location. So if they give you that five field, you just come and select the field here. And if they don't have account stage, they don't have their industry, let me say industry, it's part of what they want. Numbers of employee, if they want it, you don't understand now. But I think I'm okay with this. Contact name, account owner, company city. I have company street. I don't need company street. I have company. Do you understand now?
What's the difference between company street and company address?
Street is the same thing as address now.
Because address is here. That's what I'm asking.
Where is it?
See company address in the middle column.
Can you see company city, company state? So it depends. All these things, if you don't dict them, you just put it rubbish. So now what I will do now, I will now save it. So whenever I want to import, that's what I will import now. Do you understand now? So now we'll now go back to my CSV export. So now let's go to account import. So now after I've done that, I will just go back to my contact. Let's go back. So to the contact I just generate, I just pray that this thing is still there. Where do we have it? Company. Can you see it now? So when I select now, so now I've said 25, you should apply 25. Can you see now? So now I can now export. It will now give me very good and neat lead. Do you understand now? So
Yes,
what
ma'am.
it will give me will be
Yes, ma'am.
based on what I did now. So let us export it. We will see it. So I just pray I can export again in the night. Hey, I just pray. I just pray I can't. I ought to have wasted.
What happened?
Wait. Because you cannot, I think we can only
Since
do 25 in a day.
she's expecting
Eh?
a large number. He's
I
saying that
cannot.
you're expecting a large file, so it might
Mm,
take a while.
So, do we understand that now? Do we know how to generate a lead now?
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's how to do that. So the last thing that we'll be doing will be um um workflow. I will still
What
take
to
them some of the things in the night and we will finish this thing. So any question for now so that we can call it a day? I think we've tried. Do we understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Everybody
We.
understand.
We.
Now you can generate a lead now.
That's the assignment.
So you go and generate a
How
lead.
That's the.
do we come into this workspace? Did you
Oh,
send
oh,
the
You have
oh.
email
not.
to us?
You have not added
Let
us.
me add a team. That's that.
Please send it to our email.
Let me just add you now. Your profile. Let me just go to profile. Let me be looking for users. Add users now. Okay, add teammates. So let me add you as admin. Oh yeah, you guys should drop your mail. Let me just put it here. Be fast with it though. Let me just quickly.
Obinna46@gmail.com.
I've sent it.
You've sent. Everybody has sent. Let me just come and pick it and paste it here.
Yes. Obi, drop yours.
Okay.
What about Winnie Winnie? Is she in this class?
She has dropped hers.
Yes, ma.
Oh yeah, you'll be dropped so that I can pick everything at a time. So that you guys can explore it and You remember I said you should create a list before importing your contact though. Eh? Don't import your
List.
contact. Yes, now create a list so that when you are coming in, your contact will be inside your list. You've forgotten that. I'm not going to repeat it though. I've said it once.
Okay, so we
Yes, so
generate
please repeat
the
that.
list through here, then
I'm
create
not
a
going
list,
to
then
do
import.
that.
Is
Is it
no, no,
a
no,
list
ma.
or a list?
You know, you said so. We remember you said so.
So I'm not. You watch the video to see that. I'm going to help you to upload it here. So I'll send a invite to you. You were not there when I was saying when we want to import a contact. When you want to import, I said when if you want to import a contact, create a list. Were you not there? I said you should create a list before going to. This is where you create a list. Create a list. Name your list. So while you are creating contacts, you will have them here. You've forgotten, ba?
I'm not seeing your screen.
Why are you not
Look
see? Am
at
I not
me.
sharing?
No,
Eh? I'm not sharing. How?
the hand. Yes,
Why did I stop? When did I stop
I can see
sharing?
it now.
I didn't stop sharing before. 25. Apply. I want to add them to list. Let me just pick them. Add to list. What do I call them? Real estate in Texas. Add to list.
So that's how we add company to list.
Yes,
Thank you,
now.
ma. No,
So
now you didn't do that one. Now we just did it now.
no, I've done it before. I've done
Uh,
one before. You just you guys maybe because
no,
we're
we
still late.
manually entered it, not through this way, like generating
I
it.
did okay. If you generate lead, that's how you add them to your list. If you are
Yeah.
bringing it in, if you are bringing in your lead like the CSV here,
Mm.
we watch the video. I will
Ma.
upload the video now. Go and watch it. You will see how I said you should create a list before you. So you first come and create list before you go. Before you go and import your lead, create a list first.
Yes, ma. No,
So
I
when you
remember
create
that
your
part.
list, so when you create your list, so when you are bringing in the contact you want to bring in, maybe the one you use in what's it called in your in your go high level, all the contacts you use to imported. If you want to use them now, you now come and put them in that your list, create list so that your contacts will not mix up. Do we understand now?
Yes, ma.
All right. Can we call it a day? We just have one more
Mm-mm.
minute. If you have a question, ask me your question before I leave this place. Ask me your question. Is there any question again?
Have you invited us?
Where were you when I was doing that? I've done that.
Yeah.
Go and check your mail. I'll send you an email.
Accept invite.
So can we call it a day? You see, you just have 1 minute. You
Yes,
have
ma.
one more
Let's go and
minute.
watch video and see.
So let me just
What is the assignment? We should go and generate
in
list.
your assignment, a lot of
Is
things
it
you will do because it's the only lead that you remember. That one is the only one that suits you past.
sweet me self at the
Ma,
end of the day?
you
Just
think,
You
okay,
create
talk what
contact,
you are supposed to do.
import contact.
ma,
You
I
import.
think I need
Yes, I
to
mean,
share my screen. What I
what
was
happened?
asking you that time is the same thing that is showing now.
Okay, share your
What I
screen.
was
Let's see.
asking you,
If you don't have Apollo before, you just have to log in and share your screen. Let us see you. Share your screen, though.
see. Okay, if I say, okay, continue, log in with Google,
Uh-huh.
uh-huh,
Uh-huh. Continue.
this place. What should we pick from here now?
Pick which one did you click? Did you click the link I sent to you?
Pick CEO.
Yes, eh?
You are coming in with the link.
Yes, it's the link.
Choose
Account executive, full
choose
circle
any
account executive,
try choose anything.
marketing, sales leader. IT support.
Let's choose customer success.
Mhm. Oh yeah, choose be fast. Continue. How do you want us to start Apollo with you? Find and connect. Just click anyone.
Anyone.
Just click.
Inbound.
Click if check if they can allow you to click everything. Click everything. Oh yeah, continue. What do you
Which post do
what
you
do
want us
you
to focus?
click everything if they allow you to? Continue. How
How
familiar?
far are you
Say
with?
I'm new into this.
I'm new to
Uh,
tools like this.
yeah, continue. You know.
Okay.
Are you sure you are inside my own?
Yes, now the link you sent was what I clicked.
I
See
just
from
click.
here, accept invite. That's what I clicked.
Oh yeah, go back there. Let's see. So now connect your mailbox. Just come down. Big Google. Big Google. No, no. Scroll down. Let's see now. Scroll down.
This is
I see I will comply. Click check that box. I will comply. See, don't know this box be down, 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 down. I will comply with Apollo terms of service.
okay, 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 okay.
Connect mailbox. For me, continue. Check the selected box. Select all. Scroll down. Continue.
Great, your mailbox is connected.
Okay. Let's add comment. When we are building a customer experience to help you reach your goal. So now set up your company profile to get smarter suggestions. This one is not taking you. Okay. Save save profile. No, go up. See now. Your company name, your company this.
I should go
Keep
back.
says no, say, don't go back. Next inbound.
I'm back to next outdoor.
Yes.
Mhm.
Skip. Click on click skip. Skip the
Skip.
skipping. Yeah, you will come and do it later. Just skip. I want to see what it will bring you in. So click I will do this later too. Okay, skip again. Just click. Connect your CRM. Upload your company sales view of company. Skip again. Just skip.
Now I'm inside. Abi?
I want to show if you are inside of this place. No, delete my data and join. Okay. No, click. Delete
Which
my
one should
data.
I?
Click. No, no. You are invited to switch to another thing. You will switch. Just pick anything. You just join my own now. Don't delete your data. Just continue. Just continue. Okay. Click all these things that you pick now. Can you see that you
So
have
you
to
should just
open
click on decline and
the
go in.
client? Yes, yes, the client.
Thank you.
All right. Oh yeah. I mean,
I want to
everything
it's
just
as
they
if I'm
sweet
doing
you.
the thing again.
Try connect it. There is issue. Connect it. Just connect it. There is issue. Yeah, take your Google. Oh yeah. You did not pick Google. Or skip you will do later. Connect my mail, but skip you will come and do it later so that.
Which one is this one? Saying okay, your plan can only take one
Oh
mailbox.
yeah, click it. Okay. Oh yeah, click skip. Skip it. No, set up later. Set up later. You guys will do it. Skip. Keep on skipping. Skip.
I'll do this later.
Mm. Skip.
Enrichment or
Skip.
skip.
Skip. Skip. Skip. Skip. Keep. Just be skipping them. So you are here now, Abby. You
Am I there now?
should be here now. Start tracking visitors. Just turn that one on. Your team will be limited to one user in 10 days. Upgrade or no. I think this one is. Let me see. Let me go to my own and check if you are in. Let me just go to incognito. Incognito window. No, it's no more here.
It's not more there. Okay.
Mm. I think this is. Is it this one? Let me see. Okay, let me go and check teams. User and team. Let me see. How many people have entered? See now, you guys are here. For me, is
I've entered.
yeah.
So, how do we see it from here now? Now we're in your team. Just like the other one would show us that we're in IBSH.
Actually, this is my thing. You will see my company name now.
It's not there.
Eh?
I can't say anything. I'm not seeing the name IBSH.
Well,
Or,
click
or
on. I didn't use IBSH. It's Susan Udumade I used. I didn't use IBSH.
I did not see anything like Susan Otumade.
I don't know. Let me just check. That means if you are not in it, use your team and this thing. How many people has come in? Have you? It's only permission provide credit. Do you understand now? Let me see users, new user field. Let me see. New field, pending user.
Should I stop sharing?
Stop sharing. No. User and thing. User. Mm.
Oh yeah, share.
Maybe you go through the link again. I don't know because I don't know.
Because my own
Suppose
is not showing this
it was not
it's
showing
not
what?
showing this it's not showing this background now. Not showing this icon.
Which background? Share. Let me see what you are talking about. Start sharing. Let me see it too.
I'm sharing, ma.
I'm not seeing.
See, look at it.
Which background are you talking about? Maybe this is people.
That's the color.
Why will you show my
How do
color?
I see? Okay,
Do we have the
okay,
same
work
this
set,
thing?
workspace setup 3.
And now, do we have the
How do
same
I
background? Your system is different from
how
my
do
own
I see
system.
how do I see the 3 people? Say workspace setup 3.
This is not works. This is not 3 people. This is not 3 people. Go to your this thing. Go to admin settings. Go to your admin setting down. Admin setting down. Admin setting. Can you see admin setting down the last thing? Click on it. So user and theme. Let
Users
me
and
see.
say your team will be limited to one user
Let me
in
see
10
video.
days.
Yes.
So it will expire in 10 days.
Not the account. Can you see now?
Okay. I have seen you people now. Now, 100 credits. Please, but what does that mean?
I don't even know what is used. I think if you are using it, like you are using it to work. They like
See,
the
somebody
coins.
say your own, no credit limit. Okay, because you are the owner, no credit limit. But for us, we have only 100 credits.
Yes.
Obina is not here. Oh.
If we join and she be added him. I added him. I think one for four, one before four, four. I think it's only four people that you can take. This one I'm saying. But let you guys should just explore, sha. If you understand. Let me stop recording. Any other question? You not the one
Okay.
presenting.
Okay. See it here. Can you
Mm.
see my
Okay.
cursor?
Yes, I can.
Admin setting. You click on it. Users and
User.
teams.
Okay.
You click users and teams. It will bring. Can you see now?
Okay. Okay.
So you guys will set your profile. So all right, everybody. See